Now here's something interesting. Back in 1924, the San Francisco Examiner ran a series of articles about this spot in Nevada. And the claims were extremely wild. They called it the Hill of 1,000 Tombs. And that there were what looked like to be Egyptian hieroglyphics all over this hill. Even up into 1925, they were claiming that sacrifices were happening here, and they even tried to recreate the sacrifices. So let's go ahead and get up here to where these supposed Egyptian hieroglyphics are. So here's one of them. We got another one right there. Another series right there. But this is what he was claiming was Egyptian hieroglyphs. Some really neat old petroglyphs. That's all. So here's another one. It almost looks like a horse. Yeah, so you got the little tail. I know I'm talking about 1924 and such. This is 1909. So all these stones here, this is what he was claiming to be tombs. And that's why this hill is called the Hill of 1,000 Tombs. And he said that the bones were so old that they were already turning to dust. And then in 1925, his daughter, along with some of her friends, came up here because there's supposed to be an altar, a sacrificial altar that created all these dead bodies. And they came up here and tried to recreate the sacrificial ceremony. Just very funny. And you can see here, you got a wall. This is why they thought it was an ancient civilization that lived up here. See, there's some more glyphs there. But look at all of this. Look at all of these walls. And they thought this was an ancient civilization, and later archaeology said that these are hunting blinds, which would make sense. So I hope you appreciate this little adventure. I mean, it's an unusual one. You got to see something nice and ancient. I'll catch you guys on the next one.